Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but shispa % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamokam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Myntri Sarkar Bapak Jagatnath Labor Uba Shakliar Wajri Ula Hukum Yaki Labor Inspector Baki de Bandai Khynra Haman lagi Jingtei Ki Barang Yaj Ka Jingtei Manla Biki Nong Bala Jylla Ki Buan Be An Hakani Jylla Kalam Ki Katis lagi Babiang Ula Ai Kini Hukum Hadian Baki Sang Bhalang Ki Layo Ban Ban Bun Ngut Ki Nong Bala Jylla Ki Ba Kalam Kot Kalam Sla Ki Ba Trai Bala Haki Chakawa Fair Ula Ongru Ba Baroki Kontraktor Ki Ba Wan Ran Nong Bala na Jylla Ki Ha Ban Register Ke Ketang Jong Ki Nong Bala Jong Ki.
In terms of labor, as we all know, we already have whichever labor is coming into our state, we have to register themselves with the labor department. So all the process is being done as it was done. So I'm not aware of all these, what you just mentioned, that they are fear. But till date, it has not come to my notice. But if there's something like that, we will.
Don't you think there is a complacency on the part of the contractors who are taking up these projects and they did not even bother to bring these laborers to the labor department for registration?
No. It is mandatory now. So once any person is awarded any contract work, so before that he has been given the final work order, he has to register all his laborers within the labor department. It's a compulsion. It's mandatory. It's been going on for years and years. So I don't think so. There's anything like that.
So the pressure groups have been conducting so many inspections, and it has been proven that there are many working without proper documents. Some even coming from across the border. So there are concerns. So how will you ensure that this doesn't happen?
Yeah. So basically, just a few weeks back that I've held a review meeting. I've already instructed all my labor inspectors. I've given them a timeline that in every block, in every district, all my labor inspectors will be conducting inspection in all the construction sites. So we are taking things seriously.